Somebody ring my phone up on the highway and said to me, say, I pay police the yard. So I say, alright then. But I ring my phone up on the highway, I pay police the yard. So I say, what? Pay police there my yard? Them say yes. I'll pay all stop them there. So I say, oh, okay. Me not say that me more lack. I say, me more lack. I say I just want to come catch them. Because I'm up snow and reaching on my scheme. In case my baby father come on tonight. Yeah. In case my man come on tonight. Who that? In case my man them come on tonight. My good man. In case Akeem come on tonight and the things them. I say, when I reach, when I go up on the first story, remember them come over there, and take me video me naked on the bed and post it all over here,
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, ready to know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and as you can see, part of the screen. Yeah, your favorite boys outside on these streets screaming out some girl front. People putting out the comment section where you think about Jake. I'm not gonna lie to you, my people. City boys up right now, And city girls definitely don't, because after 7 weeks of marriage, Akeem is finally calling it quits on his queen, Rosealee. Him need want to see the sight of her no more, because the girl play herself, my people. I'm not gonna lie to you, She play herself, you see my say. And she allowed Team Rose to trick her out of her spot, right? Putting out the comment section where you think about that, because she definitely fumbled the bag with Akeem, man. You see my say, and definitely fumbled with Jake. You see it, and right now the two of her man them is outside living life, and she's just sad as a pumpkin. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But before we get into more aspects of this ish, there's a story going around that police rush her yard and all of these things. You see my say. As you know, she went to a funeral today, and she just, I'm assuming, coming back now, because she just got live and said the story is a lie. You see my say. So a lot of people is, I don't want to say wishing for a downfall, but she has a lot of enemies and she pissed off a lot of people. So whatever thing them can use for laugh on her, them gonna laugh on her. Especially that Akeem is definitely gone now. You see my say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But anyway, let's take a look at what going from not to go on. Is it?
So I go, when I forgo. Be a liar for the things them. I'm look the liar now call me and give me the information. Right? Then now me one woman call me that day. You don't want to say to me, say, let them take me for eat that, She called me and I say, yes, speaking. She said to me, say, me for come up with the people in my work, go point them out in office. They want to identify parade. Let me explain, They want to identify parade. Identify parade. She also tell me something for going to office, go point out people. This is a full woman take me for. Oh, me for go, the police have come video. Oh, me for go with the police. Oh, me for go in the office go video. Oh, that you come and tell me by my phone, Me for go, no, it's not the identity, it's not that. So, fix the words, no girl. ID parade. And she tell me something for go in the office. In the office, ID parade a line up. The liar woman said me that we pan that to identify the police. One lady called me from up at one place. I don't know the place name because I can't tell because two of me get dark. Me just hang her from my phone. She got said to me, say, me if go up at the office, do them work, me if go point them out in office. So me said to me, say, miss, me said to myself, say, what she said to me? Me if go point to police in the office when all of them have a balaclava. Me got my phone. I'm saying to me, what call this a willow? Because me now go win your saying. When I come out to Jamaica and them fuck up system, me now go win a blood clot. So I take my shame and disgrace with a loss. Me don't open my mouth and give up on the media. You know how long that gone? The man come from way back, Bill, in August. You know how long? I tell myself, say, I take my shame and my disgrace, in an argument. Because If you come on my yard, so I look for whatever, I look for another all abandoned building. Or work, on the son compound, or work, on our work. Or me get involved in our work. Can you come on a video and put on social media? Right? Me get my liar. Me go down the liar down at Duke Street. I'm going to pay my liar blood clot fee. I'm supposed to still have the piece of receipt, not none of them dryer. Every time I call the liar to the pan, they soon get back to you. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. After my latest statement and everything, you know. A woman called me the other day. But I want to call my liar. She has said to me, me for going to the office go point out people. So I said, one of the people that say me an idiot. Oh, me go point out people when them have a balaclava, I didn't see nobody. I said, Miss Ewa, it not going to work out, you know. Because I see where this a go. So you know what? Have a good day. Me will take my lasses. Shall I ask me about email address? Me will take me no go. Me dey about my business, I'ma call me. Somebody me get a phone call said, you swarm a police. So I say, yeah, police again. It's alright. When me come here, I say try them slung on the blood clot, all fridge out there. In the yard, I catch. I saw the blood clot on do here. When I come for video again, one blood clot though. You see gunman live here, you don't come my bomber pussy blood clot. You come out of me and I start class and go on bad. Because what? You don't have no warrant. Them out. I said them a text that you say now. One man in Saturday morning again the worst. One man Saturday morning again, the whole part of them come here and I'm gonna say hello, don't even pass the gate. See that upon me? I Jake say more. I said don't even pass the gate. Okay, you know, so them time me and him there. I know I'm involved with blood clot, boy, I'm head chip. When me involved with that boy, I'm saying straight, not even fly. Can't pitch for you. I saw comes, I'm gonna make no good. Me say what you say. Me say, here was stay the gate. Me block you. Twinkle, cause you come here for eat body hard. Me say stay the gate. One Saturday morning, me say stay the blood clot gate. Me say what you want, Jake, so I'm gonna process it. Me say how long the process I got take. First, I ask, what is the process about? Where does I camera out of Unspeak, go check him out. So I say, alright then. How long it I got take? Them cam go out there, and the same man will tell me say they got take about 30 minutes. I see him with some other people, and him cam I will get through quick. My mind out, them come already come video, them come already come video, you know, and them come already come video, I'm not gonna justice. Them come back again, come to them. Where come back now, blood clot, to them come blood clot, you know. You know, take set for me, the all I don't have no take no set blood clot, yeah, so that me gonna know. I'm not business one thinking friend, I cannot take no set on my yard. Not take no set, yes, sir. Now come here, so come take no blood clot set for the people in place. Come to no one, but the dirt, them no want if you can go to the station. I go on, but this I say come out of this bomber pussy blood clot. Come in like no. Come in, come blood clot, you know me? And I know me not getting a bomber pussy blood clot. Come out! I'm gonna go and bad out there. You go suck on the woman come out of my yard. I say people, he said to me, see if me don't get locked up today. I think they take the piss out of me. When you come on me, I come for them, I'm not getting justice. I don't know, come back here. I'm not getting justice. So me that target practice for the stinking one where I will call in a box. I know the control them. Go and call me name. Me no look down no. Every day on the text, not tell the said pa me a bomb or pussy blood clot. Come now, move till the time come in. Me a search, but me now move till the time. Me know I'm a police and a set, yeah. Me not do criminal blood clot element. Go look for criminal blood clot road. They want to come and I'm tell you go suck on no mama. Cause me will tell you go suck on no mama. Me gonna have to lock me up for that. They want to suck your mama. Tell them to come out of my blood clot. They might say I wait. Me don't know what I'm upon. Boy, you upon soup. Superintendent, my bumper pussy blood clot. I don't want him and she come. Me soup them up with 2 clot. If you ask them, so one of the friends from out of blood clot, unspear, come villa in here. Me not get no justice. Can you tell me if you how would this man? Relax the man. I calm my spirit. Oh God. When on a friend if I'm out of unspear, like let them take me an idiot. I'm tell you this. They want them know how we here. As a Jamaica system, we never get. As a Jamaica system go. You can't fight with the system. I don't know own a vote, but I not vote. You can't fight with the system. A whole heap in a city youth them get gunned down. And don't come out tight. You can't fight with them. Because you are gonna tell me about me if you can identify people. Who don't know who come here? Who don't know who come here? There's a set of operation where I have a sign to it. Everything is signed. If them talk about a 9mm 16 rounds as police, them have to know how much shot in it. Them have to long and sign for all the shot when them take out of the station. You sign in your lap book and you sign out back. You sign in a work and you sign back out of work. You don't know who come here. Top come here. Come on, want to lock me up, you know? Oh, I'm going to trust me how I'm going to do. Because I say, Dara, if I'm a black woman, see that social media thing, yeah? I don't know what I said for me. Like I think I'm stupid. I don't know who. When you work by the government, you have to log in. You sign your name. If you sign to gun, you have to sign the name, the gun where you sign to. How much rounds, blood clot in it. You have to sign it in and sign it out with the name. So I don't know who exactly come here. I want to friend them. But I know I never gonna get no justice. I have 45,000 in life. But I have to pay a liar fee till I know I can't stop pay a liar fee. I'm not never gonna work out, so I'm gonna leave, you know. Stop, come on my blood clot yard. Me not have no man live here. That the stinking one that have him over here class me. Or my big and stink, I call my phone. Me if a police come and me I look for you. I say call my phone. I don't know where you call me for tomorrow man in the school. Talk about your picnic them. Where you call my phone for? You live here? You can't even see, you know. Come get dark from there, you know. I say, I'm on the tour, I come and say, I want cake. I tell them some bumbo clot, you see. I say, go suck on them, want to come back here. Who you talking? I say, yo, you me a blood clot chat too. Yo, who no? No come back, yeah. Go look for thief and murderer street. I be a suckle and sell fuck live here. Cause just me, my mother, my sister them there. Cause the man was trying them all the day here. Cause I rub them all the day here. When I text up, the people all the hard for. And the dirt them, you know what, you know? You know what, come for the you know what, come for the rubbish them in and show social media next. I know that to come about. I'll put me all spot them reach. I'll put the all stop them reach. Beside the building have a collapse with a stinking blood clot. Oh, I don't like Kuno. I'll put the all stop them reach.
Okay, people, this is my honest opinion, because, you know, they didn't have no warrant, but it was obviously a courtesy call, and if your owner open up the door and allow them to come in, them can come in. If you have nothing to hide, you're going to talk to the law. This is my say. Obviously, police them know what going for them to go on. They know Roselee's not there, so that's the perfect time to snoop around and see what them eyes catch. Or, you know, them body camera footage so them can zoom in later and all of these things, because the car cleaning things stink, my people. And a lot of your favorites are going to get rested. So that's why you have to do the good thing and follow me. And subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because I got update on the panda. Because you know I got to get it first. This is my answer. So like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest stuff. And go palm the Boom Bye Bye news channel because Snow is recruiting. You see Jaden. No. This is my answer. One bagger and one my people. The sea world is out. Bless.